Big news that we are getting for you from the Delhi High Court. We are being told that the Delhi High Court has sought a response from the centre on a plea claiming that Hindus are minorities in various states and union territories but are being denied rights enjoyed by other minority groups. A bench of Chief Justice D.N. Patel and Justice C. Hari Shankar issued notice to the Ministries of Home Affairs, Law and Justice and Minority Affairs seeking their stand on the plea, which wants the centre to define the word minority. Let's go across to my colleague Sneha joining us on the broadcast. Sneha, explain to us firstly the details of this plea and the time given to the centre to respond.
BJP leader Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay has filed a petition seeking minority status to Hindus in 9 states, which are Ladakh, Mizoram, Lakshadweep, Kashmir, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Punjab, Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh, that a minority status be given to these Hindus and this petition has come after the Supreme Court asked him to directly approach the High Court as the entire issue falls under the jurisdiction. The notice has been issued in the petition and the next date of hearing is in May. The petition broadly asks the Delhi High Court to define the word minority and it says that there should be the regions where Hindus are in by quantity in less number, they should also be given the privileges of a minority.
Right. Stay with us, Neha. Let me go across to my colleague Harish, also now joining us on the broadcast. Harish, it's interesting how this kind of a petition is considered and now centre has been asked to define the word minority.
Yes, Hina, it's a very significant development given the fact that only last week the Supreme Court had asked Ashwini Upadhyay to withdraw the petition and approach an appropriate forum, and following which he has approached the Delhi High Court, which has today issued notice to this centre on its stand to declare Hindus as minorities wherever the Hindus are in minorities. I remember the petition very significantly says that in Lakshadweep, Hindus are only 2.5% of the population. In Mizoram, it's only 2.75% of the population. In Nagaland, 8.75%. Meghalaya, 11.53%. Jammu Kashmir, 28.44%. Arunachal Pradesh, 29%. Manipur, 31.39%. And Punjab, 38.4%. He wants that Hindus should be marked as a minority community in these states so that they can avail all the facilities like education, government offices, and all other government schemes. And they are saying that since that the Hindus are nationally a majority, these Hindu communities being deprived of minority benefit in each state. But remember, during the Supreme Court hearing, the Attorney General K.K. Venugopal had come and argued that the minority status is normally given nationally, and it is not measured statewide. So we'll have to wait and watch what will be the stand of the centre when the matter comes up for hearing in the Delhi High Court.
All right. Thank you very much, Harish, as well as Sneha, for joining us with all of those details. We'll see what the centre will have to say on this issue. How will they define minority on the state level?